Hi, and welcome to the Anyday Coffee Spill. Let's just turn this around like that. This video is all about when things don't go exactly as you planned and you procrastinate and you can't draw a leg if your life depended on it. But you keep persisting because that's creativity and you want to be the best artist you can be. So persist I did. And this is the mysterious case of the avocado frankenbunny and the attack sheep. When I was a kid, I lived on a farm. We had cows and chickens and a couple of cats that came from I don't know where, kangaroo that we had to raise from a joey, yes, we were that Australian, and some random sheep. One of the sheep we had since it was a lamb, and we called it Bleater because it used to bleat. Because it was a sheep. It was all cute in the beginning when it was white and fuzzy and super cuddly. And my sister used to take it on walks like a puppy and would follow around sweetly like something out of a nursery rhyme. But, it began to grow like all things did into a sheep. And before you know it, it wasn't a lamb anymore. It wasn't super snuggly. It had very slowly turned into a flesh-eating, kid-chasing, savage beast. If I left the house yard, it would spy me from a mile away and it would charge at me and it would bunt my butt. Honestly, it was even more scarier than the magpies that used to swoop us when we ran down to the school bus. And if you've never had a magpie swoop you, it's true fear. So that's my ode to Bleater. I'm not really sure what happened to Bleater, but I guess he's wearing jumpers somewhere, chasing people around. This was actually going to be called Ode to Legs. I actually thought that it was confusing enough having an avocado frankenbunny. But I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and I hope you have an amazing day and you don't find any flesh-eating attack sheep. Also, if you do, I would love to hear about it because that sounds pretty cool. So, as always, it has been an absolute pleasure spending time with you. And thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.